Hola, hello, I am Pepe the King Prono Guy.
Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a power board on a Leader 120. Nice.
Hey everybody, and welcome to Tech Tip Thursday here on the Quadcopter Review. Today I'm going to be looking, first of all, let's apologize for missing a couple Tech Tip Thursdays. I wanted to show you this specific item, and I lost it. So I couldn't show it to you because I couldn't find it, but that's going to be beneficial to you if you watch through the whole video. You'll see why at the end, why that's beneficial to you. As always, before we get into it, don't forget to go in your upper right hand corner here and get in this month's giveaway. There'll be a link right there right now to do it. Don't forget to comment once and only one time on that video. Be a subscriber, and like the video is always helpful. Now, what we have with today's tech tip is I have a field voltage tester for your Lipos. This is super handy for your field bag or your battery bag you're taking out to you with the field. I don't usually use caps on my batteries to tell me what is a good battery and what is a used battery, and sometimes I'll end up in the bag there. So this is super handy for reminding you either while you're in the field or when you get home what level you're at with these batteries before you even put them on the charger. So what you do is you take the tabbed ends, you can see there, the metal tabs on the balance lead, and then from the left to the right is starting at 1. So you take number 1 and you stick it on the left side there of the tab side, and you'll get your total voltage, your individual cell voltage on the battery. So while you're out there, if you lose what's what, you can easily just stick that in real fast and check it out and see what you got. Now this is accurate to, it says 0.01. I would think maybe it's a couple, but it's certainly good enough to tell you if you're working with a full battery or a flat battery. So that's pretty awesome, and this can be used for two different things. It can be used for your field tester, but it does have buzzers on it. So if you were to have a quad without a buzzer, a low voltage buzzer, and you needed something, you could actually take and put this guy on there, and I'll show you how to set what volt you're going to buzz at in a minute. But you could take this, put that on there, and you know, it doesn't really seem like it's going to shake off real easy, but if you are concerned, you know, you can throw a zip tie around it and that'll handle that. But it can have that purpose if you can afford the weight on whatever quad maybe that doesn't have a buzzer on it and you don't really want to put a buzzer on. So let's show you how to go ahead and set that low voltage alarm that you either may want to use for, again, for on a quad or just to buzz you when you're testing them here. Again, what I love about it is, let's just say, even if I had my batteries capped and I flew them all and tossed them in the bag there, when I get home, my balance charger needs them to be relatively close to each other to put them on my balance board to do multiples at the same time. So knowing where they're at is really, really super duper handy to have, and you can see how quickly you can just bust through a bag of batteries from out in the field and get where you're at and sort them out if you wanted to by voltage, so you could get them on your balance board if you have a charger that requires you to have those volts extremely close to each other to put them on the board. But let's take a look now here at how to set the buzzer on this guy. Now to set it, you see this button right here on the back of it. That button, once you have a battery plugged in and you hold it down, it'll start going up in increments of what you want the buzzer to go off at. Ow! Spins are sharp. I recommend you don't hold it by that. Go ahead and set it. You can have it to off all the way up to, you know, pretty high up there, and I believe it starts here at what? 2.7 is your starting place for your buzz. So you just set that, and then you would you know, strap it to your quad or strap it to your balance lead and put that in your Velcro strap, and off you go. So you just have it, and you can, toss it right in your battery bag with you. Now, the pins are a little fragile, so I would take and find a little piece of styrofoam, or if you had an 8S balance lead to stick on there, you could stick it on there to cap it off. But a piece of styrofoam would work just fine. You toss it in there back in the little baggie and toss it in your bag, and it's with your batteries, and you're good to go. Now, I mentioned bonus to you on this. So the bonus to you is I have 4 more of these that I got with it that I'm going to give away. So what you need to do, like any giveaway on my channel, is you're going to want to make 1 comment and 1 comment only on this video. You're going to want to be a subscriber, and I will look for that, see the rules. And you are going to, you don't have to, but it'd be nice if you like the video. That helps, drive it up there in the traffic. So once again, just do that, and I'll pick the winner of this after I pick the May giveaway. So that's the 15th of May, so that way nobody feels like if they were selected on this, it jinxed them on winning a quad. So again, thanks for watching, happy flying, and talk to you soon.